Hi, everyone. I'm not sure if this is working. We'll see. It looks like it's recording. I'm going to show you how to make what we call landing page on our Placester account. So I'm going to share my screen and hopefully we're going to be able to walk through this. So I think it's sharing the screen now. Okay, so here's my screen. I need to get up here. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into your Placester account, which I need to do from scratch so you all can see what that looks like. So hold on. So go to your Placester account, log in. Once you're logged into your Placester account, you want to go over here to edit site. Don't panic, everything's going to be okay. You click on the edit site. This shows you what your existing website looks like. Over in the left-hand column here, you're going to go to the very bottom where it says create new. And we're going to click on create new. And then we're going to go up to page. And then we're going to scooch over here to the words default page. This is what we want to be on to accomplish our goals. Do not click on custom landing page. That's a different situation. So we're going to click on the default page here. And what the system does is on the left-hand side of your screen here, this is where you enter all your information. And on the right-hand side, this is where it shows you what it's going to look like. So the first thing we need to do under the general heading here is we need to name this page title so we can find it again. So forest homes with 1 acre of land is what I'm going to call that. So you see this pops up here. So I'm going to change that. Okay, so as you can see, I make any change here, it shows up there. Spell check because I can't spell. Looking for a home with acreage in DeForest. I like posting it as a question because that's just how I roll. So anyway, whatever you change here, this is your page title. This is where you can find it again and it shows on your page. And then what the next thing is you need to do is you need to go to the bottom of your page where it says SEO preference and turn that on. And then go to the bottom here and upload the image you want to use. The image that you upload here will be the image that shows up on, I gotta move my picture, on the Facebook posting that you'll do. So if you copy and paste the URL for what we're creating, this is the picture that will show up. Don't do anything else. I wouldn't push my way around on this particular section. We want to get it to look a certain way. There's so many options. That's the part that's kind of blinding. But next, you go up to the top page here and we're going to click on the word module. And this is where we're going to add the link to the properties for sale in DeForest on a half-acre lot. So what you do is you go down here and you click on add your first module. And we're going to click on custom content. So this is what you want right here, custom content. And it gives you options on what you want to look like. Obviously, these are both exactly the same. So it doesn't matter which one you click on. So as you can see right here, it says, sorry, but this module will be configured first. They can't show you what it's going to look like yet. You have to enter information. So what we have here is, need to add land. DeForest homes for sale. Now this section here says click to add a card. What they mean by card is a photograph. So this is where we're going to do our title. And as we type, eventually you're going to start seeing the what we're building pop up over here. Description. Are you looking for a home in Forest that has are you looking for a home in DeForest with at least located on at least a half-acre lot? Here is a live link to the details you're looking for. This link is updated every 15 minutes. New listings and price reductions. For you to consider. Okay, background image. I'm going to click on background image. Whoops, gotta click the upload button. I'm gonna upload this yard as my background image. And I like the way it pulled together. This is where if you wanted to customize it, again, I'm not clicking around on a lot of the different features because you can get lost in all the features on this. Next, allow user to decide on card position. So what this is going to do is it's going to have the words on one side and the image on the other. The button, view properties. So I wanted to have a button that says view properties. So as you can see, once I typed that in, it started to create what I came up for. So we've got looking for home with acreage in DeForest. There's my picture. DeForest homes with land. Are you looking for a home in DeForest? Blah, blah, blah. I have to finish the button. I want the button to be a color, a solid color. I want the button to say view properties. Okay, the next is the page URL. You click on that. We're going to click a custom URL. And then what I did is I went to our website and I already logged in here, so I don't have to reinvent the wheel. DeForest, Wisconsin, more filters. Oh my God, you can't search by year, lot size. Great, so this whole thing is for absolutely nothing. Oh, man, I'm gonna have to do this all over again. Well, you can only do a link. Shoot. I am not going to be able to do this the way I thought. Okay, well, anybody watching this, we're going to do DeForest homes under 300,000. Search. So I click search. I'm going to hide these filters, and these are homes for sale in DeForest that are under 300,000. What you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste this link. Copy, go back to here. This is where we are building our land for sale, and I'm going to fix it. Custom URL, paste. Then I have to go up here and change everything that I just got done typing because they don't have it. Okay, are you looking for a home in DeForest? Maybe it's good that this is wrong. You can see so you can see how it works. Are you looking for a home in DeForest priced under 300,000? Here's a live link to the details. The details you want. Details you need, you want. This link is updated every 15 minutes, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you can go back up to the top here, DeForest homes with land. Obviously, that's got to be changed. Price under 300K. Now, if you look over here, you can see it's updated. DeForest homes priced under 300K. You're looking for home DeForest priced under 3. Here's the link. You're looking for view properties. There's a pretty picture of land. Obviously, you could put any photograph you have there. That's what I had saved because I was going to do this. So now we're going to come up here to the top. The name says DeForest land, DeForest homes for sale. That's the name of this particular module. So we're going to click save because we entered everything we want in here. Oh wait, I was going to do one more thing. We're going to go to design. So that's the content. That's what we have here. So as you see, it'll be the top of your website, the name of your page, and the information you want. And then they click here to view properties. Okay. That's what we built so far in this section content. If you click on design, that gives you these options, which we already had figured out. You can do a background image, which I think is really cool. So I'll click on that and click on the picture of the yard. And then you'll see it puts like a ghosted image behind all of this. Hold on, it's uploading. Isn't that cool? I mean, I think that looks really neat personally, but hey, that's just me. So that's if you want to put in a ghosted image behind your image. Animation, I didn't play with that at all. So I've got my content. I entered that ghost image behind there because I think that looks super cool. That's just me though. Then we're going to go down here. We're going to click save. Now I'm going to go. Now it brings you back to, remember we were on general, then we went to modules, and this is where we entered this. So now I'm going to go back to general, and I'm going to rename this page title because we can't search for acreage in DeForest. So now we're going to say, are you looking for a home priced under 300K in DeForest? Question mark. So that's what I'm going to leave that entered as. Okay. So we've got looking for a home price under 300K in DeForest is our heading. Here's what we created, our landing page. They click on view properties. That will take them directly to all that information. So we have everything that we need. Our SEO is turned on. This is the picture that's going to be on Facebook. We created our module. If we wanted to edit that, you just go back to that and click on the little pencil, and it takes back to when we were creating that. Hit the back button. Are you sure I didn't make any changes? I'll click save just because I feel better doing it that way. All right, so we're back to general. So this is our page that we have created. So what we need to do is you can copy and paste this URL right here. But what I'm going to do is show you how to find this again. So after you've created it, yes, copy and paste it. But if you want to go back and find it again, you can. So if you hit the home button here, wait, did I draft it? Oh, I thought I published this. I'm sorry. You have to click on this to publish it. And now it says that it's published, which means it's live. So my The page I just created is live. If anybody goes to this URL up here, they will see this. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the home page. And what I'm going to do is go down to managing content and click on pages. And it's going to show the pages I had created too. So what you do is that's how you find it again. You click on that. It brings you back here. Here's all your information. If you want to change it, you can click on it to change it. What you do is you grab this URL here and copy it. And then go to Facebook. This is how I do it. And you go here, paste, and let it populate. So that might take a second. And there it's populated. So this is what it looked like. Looking for a home price on 300K in DeForest, WisconsinHomeConnection.com. And now you can take this away, put, hey, are you okay, brought to you by Home Connection Realty. I always put that on the end of all of my postings because I'm disclosing that I'm a real estate company. So that's what it looks like. Hit the post button. And voila, there is your new list, your new posting on Facebook. Hey, are you interested in finding a DeForest home price on 3K? Here's a link to the details you want, brought to you by Home Connection Realty. And when they click on this, it brings them to your page with all the information. Isn't that pretty? I think it's, anyway. So they click on view properties. Now I'm already logged into our web page, so it didn't bring up the click here to log in information. That's already done, but it brings them directly to the information, and I'm already logged in. Now when they enter their information, then you'll see, you'll get an email notice of that. But I would like to show you, where is it at, how to make sure that your automatic login, the pop-up that comes up requesting that they logged in, is turned on and active. So if you go back to your Placester account, go to your home page, you're going to want to click on Popup Builder right here. So you click on Popup Builder, and this shows you what it looks like. Now, I put in mind, if you scroll down, this is where you can fill out the headline and what you wanted to say. I put contact us. By entering your information, you're agreeing to have someone from Home Connection Realty contact you. And it's first name, last name, email, phone number. They enter the security question, and then it will click go to website. So that's what I filled in here. After they fill this in, they get a message that says, great, someone will be in touch with you shortly. So I have first name, last name, email, phone number, and then the submit button. And this is what I wanted to say. So what you need to do is you need to say, I put this number of visits, number 1. The first time you come to my website, you have got to turn in your information. So I changed all of that to number 1. Because I want them to log in right away. So that's how I have my Popup Builder set. You can have it say anything you want. As you see down here is where you enter what you want it to say, and you can change it at any time. So that is how to post, how to create a page in Placester and how to post it on your Facebook page. I think that is all. I am not sure how to end this, so I'm just going to click on stop video here. So hopefully everybody is happy with what they saw. I will type up kind of a checklist to follow. the more you go in there and click around and play, the more fun it is. And you can always discard whatever you created if you don't like it. So don't be afraid to push buttons and play. I figured out 75% of this by myself. The remaining 25%, I was on the chat window with somebody from Placester, and the guy was helping me out and talking me through it. So do not be afraid to use the chat and ask for help, because the people from Placester, the help that you get from them is just, it's perfect. It's really, really helpful. So anyway, where is it here? Stop share. Now we're back to me. Hi. Yeah, I look gorgeous today. That's my video. I hope this works. It's my first Zoom meeting by myself trying to create a video. So let's cross our fingers that this works out for our meeting on Tuesday. All right. Take care, everyone. Bye. End meeting.